In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to hit Sounds and Vibrations. Now you can tap on Vibrate at the top in the middle to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also select Sound on the left and then use this switcher next to Vibrate while ringing to enable or disable haptic feedback for your incoming calls. Then scroll down, click on Call Vibration and tap on one of those patterns. You can also select Silent to disable call vibration feedback completely. Go back, hit Notification Vibration and do exactly the same, but this time for your notifications. Now hit System Vibration. Tap on all of those switches next to all of those features to enable or disable vibrations for them, and operate this slider under System Vibration Intensity to adjust intensity of haptic feedback for system options. Go back, click on Vibration Intensity and access the same slider over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!